All Things Collectibles, we're doing a box break of the 2012 Panini Certified Football. 10 packs, 4 hits a pack. Got the base cards look nice this year. That pack only had 4 cards in it. Supposed to have 5.
5, did you?
5. Okay, rookie. I think the rookies are numbered to 999. We got a blue, a Matthew Stafford,
1 of 100.
numbered 1 of 100. Anybody's a super collector. Got an Immortal, numbered to 999. Which Cowboy was that?
Eric Williams.
Eric Williams. Never heard of the guy. They're using that term Immortal kind of loosely now. Maybe at least they'll make a John Casey one for the Panthers. Got a hit coming up. Card number 10. Kobe Fleener. Or Cody. Let's see. Certified Materials. Numbered 18 of 299. Peyton Manning's number. Got a red. Jason Pierre-Paul.